Okay guys, we're about to do the first start and initialization run on the 2022 Husqvarna TC250. I'll let you hear what this thing sounds like and give you a little walk around while it runs. Let's turn up the idle just a tad on this thing. So when these bikes are brand new from the factory, they do come with the idle turned out pretty far, so you will have to play with that a little bit, especially as it breaks in, gets warm. That's pretty much a sweet spot right there. So yeah guys, sweet bike for 2022, 8,600 bucks. Get with us, sales at aomc.mx or your local dealer and grab you one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.